Hello. What's up, everyone? So this is a quick video of how do I made this design using this picture on my bed. Mm, yeah, using this picture, we made this one. So let's start. And because I made this before, so it will be easier to explain how do I made it. Because while making the designs, we have to generate some ideas and yeah, it takes quite long. So it is for a cap and we will start from the hoofs, which are the bottom ones, the small one. So yeah, simply just use this one, which is the complex fill. You can use this. And yeah, I will just draw it roughly. So it's just for the because everyone's know how to trace the designs and it's not much harder. So yeah, like just like that, you have to make this one, then this, then this. So let's do one thing. We will just, we will just delete it and we will take our shoes, which are these ones. So we will just move it to here. So let's say it is done. All right. So now we will do the upper size, which is the tatami fill of all this cow. All right, so let's just do this like this, and I'm just doing it roughly, so it doesn't take quite long. Till here. All right, so just like that, it is filled with the tatami, like just like that. So to make these effects, which are like the curve effects, like this curve, then there is this curve, which is like you can see, it is a curved one, and around here on the hairs you can also see these different curves on the hair. But if you see here, it is just a straight line. So for this, what you have to do is you have to take this, press S, and you have to take the knife, which is around here. Take the knife, then you have to cut the ears like this. Then you have to take the all of the body, like you have to take the legs also. You just have to make sure that you are cutting everything which is how to say, which is separated by the black lines. Yeah, which is separated by the black lines, you have to cut it out, so it is easier. So let's just say yeah, head is left only, so for the head we will just simply yeah, let's just take it from here. I think yeah, this one works perfect for the head, and the head is separated also now. So we will now not press S, and we will go to object properties, click this white, because we have to just remove this small, the whenever you cut this, what do you say it? Mm, yeah, whenever you cut any shape, it will just make the small parts of it. So it's kind of, it doesn't looks pretty good because of that. So yeah, it is done. Now what you have to do is, oh yeah, I didn't cut the shape face, I think. So we will do it again. I'm just doing it roughly because it is like a quick video, and the full video takes like 2 to 3 hours, 2 hours at least, to make this shape. Oh, I think I just deleted the eye of of the cow. So let's just let's do one thing. We will copy it. We will go back. Yeah, here our eye is back, and we will just delete it all. Not all. Yeah, I think we should delete it all and the paste. Yeah. All right, all good. Our eye is also back here. And yeah, now if you see here, these are curved lines and these are, and to put these curved lines, yeah, we also have one thing like we have different hairs, like, for the hairs, we have a different kind of fill. So we also have to do this, like, we have to cut out of the hairstyle, just like this. I'm just doing it, roughly. As I said, we have to remove this line because it is useless. If you can see here now, you have to go to object properties and go to effects. Go to effects and click the where it is the curve. In the curve, you can see the Florentine effect, so you can put it onto the normal is better, not the max. So you have to press H, and you can see this curve line. You can see this one, which is rotating. So if I do this, it is curved like this, and yeah, just like that, we are doing the hairs like the. And if you press left click or right click in the middle of it, it will add additional curves like this, or you can see what do I mean. So for this hairline, I think this is pretty good. This one curve, like left, then right, then left. So yeah, like this, the hairs are done. And for the face also, we will just go to the effects and do the curve and Florentine effects, and we will do the face like downside, just like I think face looks pretty good when it is like, yeah. Yeah, face is actually divided into two parts if I show you. I forgot to tell. Let me just make it. So if you see, face is divided into two parts. I will just, this one part which is like curved like this, and the second part is like this. So ears are like this. Now I will just, to show you how it is done. I mean, like when it is completed, how it looks like. It will, you can see these curved stitches, and for the ear, it is like this from right to down, and on the left hand side, it is like right to down, and on the body, it is also divided into two parts like this, just like that. You can do this. So it is divided in two parts. That's not too much hard because it is a tatami fill and it does the good job. So I will just make it into single shape again, and let's do one thing. We will just delete everything here because it is roughly made. We will take our shapes here. We will just go to start, I think. Yeah, here it is pretty good. We will take these small shoes first, then take this whole body. So just like that, the first side of the cow is done, like the whole body is done. For this, you have to just, make this shape first. For this, it is simple as a tatami fill. No, I think there are no, I mean, what do you say it? So there are no Florentine effects, no effects in there. And for the nose, simple, just, you just have to draw this. If you see, we have to draw this inner side, then outside of with the black satin fill like this, brown and the black, and this small mouth, which is a simple satin fill again. So we will just again take these. It will be quite complicated. Let's move this black line here. So see ya. Mm, like this, it is done, and after that we will do. It is pretty simple, so no need to digitize it. Doing the horn are also easier. But we will just move it here and show you. So first, I did the trace off with the mm, what do you say, complex turning. So I completed this shape, then these flowers. For these flowers, it is pretty simple. You have to take this complex turning you can take, or you can take the column B also. Column B is also helpful in these. Like you have to press this T, all right. So once the flower is done, only you need one petal. Okay, right. So if we see, mm, so let's just move it upper side and move it in here. Press H and no, my bad. Actually, we don't have to use the column B. My bad. Sorry for that. You have to use the complex turning or the what, complex fill. Fill is easier because you just need one angle on these petals. Alright, so just like that, you have to just, you can now move it on the perfect position, and you can click again and you can see this black dot. You can move it around here. Alright, so you can, how to do that? Like you have to press Ctrl D. I forgot. So you have to put it over here. Then you have to rotate it. Oh, my bad again. So you have to put it here. Then from here you can move it like this. Then press D again. Then just like that. It is it gets pretty hard sometimes, but it is not that hard. So yeah, so just like that, these flowers are made. Or you can just a little bit. I mean, another way is like you can copy paste or Control D. Then you can move it like this and put it here. Then again, Control C, Control V, click again, drag like this, and put it here. So these flowers is done. Now select all of it, press I and click here. So these are merged. Also then again press H and adjust the angle, because after branching the angles gets pretty bad. And yeah, because you have to copy paste it all over the time. So it is pretty good that you adjust the angle on the first step, on the first try. So just copy paste, move it here, click again, rotate it a little bit, make the size smaller, adjust it. So yeah, just like that, your 5 flowers will be made all over here by just copy pasting, rotating, and yeah, it is pretty simple again. So yeah, I think hope you understand how did I done. And yeah, the second one is you can just copy and paste it and mirror it like that. Let me just show you again. You can do break apart, copy and paste, then move it here, and you can mirror it, and yeah, it will be almost perfectly. It's just perfect. So yeah, the horns are also done, and for the leaf also you can do the same thing. Just make a small complex fill shape and put the angle, and you can copy paste it all over there, and yeah, it is done. So till now what we have completed is we have completed the horns, we have completed the body, and we have completed the hoofs. For this, you can see the white, what do we call it? So whatever this is, so mm, say that we will just take complex turning. Yeah, complex turning is better. So yeah, we will just draw it roughly because it takes a little bit of time, and I don't like to waste time on this actually. So we will just, put the angles and do the tatami fill because we need it for the tatami. And yeah, I also forgot we have to do the angle like this. We can use the Florentine effects. It will be helpful. We will go to effects, Florentine, normal, and just like that. We have this and this. So yeah, it is almost perfect. And now we will, because it is a lighter shape. If you see a, if you want to see through it, and it is a lighter shape, you have to go to object properties again. Go to, yeah, object properties and go to tatami fill and make the stitches like a little bit of 80, so you can see through it, and these will be lighter tatami stitches, and these are the perfect. Or you can just increase more if you want. You can just again copy paste, mirror it, and put it here. It is a little bit higher. uh, you can just adjust it according to your size, or maybe you can make a new one, depends on you. For me this worked, and yeah, it is done again. And for this upper side, it is simple again. You can just, make this shape, then put the tatami, and the Florentine effects will be like this, because it is like, right to left and the upper side. So yeah, it is done. And in the end, what you have to do is you have to completely trace this all over the cow. So you have to take this. You can take triple run or you can take the single run, depends on the, it is for the cap. So I think the single run is always good because it is a small shape and it is not bigger. So you can start from here. You can draw all of the outlines. It is also better that you uh, I mean, like, you make all the outlines in one go, or take very few breaks if you want to, or you can just, let's just start from here. Like, you can click here, then you can come back here, and you can continue. So, for the outline, you can just, you have to trace all of the cow. And yeah, it should be like this, because the other way is not pretty good, but it does helps a lot. The other way is, which I don't recommend actually, is, you can take all these shapes, all right? You can copy, paste, and you can click on the outer line. So what it will do, you can see these all outer lines are automatically made. So you can see all these outlines are automatically made. You can just, cut them, or but if you don't want them, you can just remove them by the knife like this. If you don't want this middle line, you can just simply take the knife tool, which is here. Take the knife tool, cut it here, and you can delete this smaller line from inside. And for the other shape also, you can just, cut it, and yep, again you can delete it. And after all the cutting and doing all this, click all of the outline, take all the outlines, press I, and yeah, these are merged again, so it is a complete shape outer line. So just like that, your black outer line is also made. And whatever the picture says, you have to draw the black lines on there. So yeah, if you see, all the black lines are perfectly made with the precision, of course. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something at least. It, it is a, I guess it is a pretty good shape, and yeah, it will be stitched out soon. So I think if you want the results, I will post it next time. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.